Hello, everyone. Happy New
Hello!
Year. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year!
Welcome to the Carpio family vlog.
Yeah,
And for those of you who don't know us, I'm Dencho and
I'm
Seth.
Sarah.
Yeah. So, anong pag-usapan natin?
I think yung mga nakarang araw, we've been discussing about um, changing our lives,
Mm,
kasi we were watching yung mga preachings online, di ba?
oh, yeah. Mm,
Yun sa ina-attenda natin online. And then, I think it's really fitting na pag-usapan natin yun. Especially, it's New Year, di ba?
mm,
Yung
mm.
kung ano yung mga gusto nating ano ba? Baguhin ba? Parang ganun.
Yeah.
Or improve.
Improve,
Improve,
like,
yeah. As a Filipino immigrant family here in Canada.
so
There are,
kung merong New Year's resolution, this is
yeah.
our New Year's, like our version of the New Year's
Tapos,
resolution, right?
nakakatawa kasi nasa YouTube. So, this is
Oh,
on
oh,
camera.
on camera. So we have to do it or else.
So, it means to say, we're looking forward um, to parang to have an accountability partner
Mm,
yung mga subscribers natin, our
yeah.
viewers. But yeah, kidding aside, I think we can have this discussion like, um, many of you are also like us, Filipino immigrant family here in Canada, or you may be anywhere in the world. And sana makarelate kayo dun sa mga pag-uusapan namin. Buhay mag-asawa, what we can improve on, parenting, right?
Yeah. We're gonna make it as chill as possible, like laid back lang, asking
Wala daw ma-high
questions,
blood.
walang ma-high blood. And again, whatever we say, we're not really saying that we're experts.
Mm,
So this is
we're
just
not
our own
experts.
opinion. Hopefully, we can help some people, or I mean, we can help you guys. But
Mhm.
mainly, this is just our opinion.
Yeah. So ano ba? Ako may tanong ako. So whenever New Year starts, it's all over, social media. They post their New Year's resolution, right? They have goals. We have goals,
Mm.
right? Mamimili ka na ng mga planner. I mean, parang automatic kasi pag inisip mong New Year, it's a reset. But before doing those resets, diba, before planning ahead, if I can ask you one thing, as a wife, what do you feel about New Year? Like, what is it to you? What do you feel about it? Like, when you talk about New Year?
Mm. It's always there's always an excitement when it comes to New Year. Of course, a new
Mm-hmm.
beginning, new start, excitement at the same time. There's also like um, you kind of like worry like what's gonna happen this year. I hope it's all like good things, but we know it's not really good. It's not gonna be all good things. There's also part of me that says I have to be grateful because this is a new year. So it's actually
Mm.
mixed emotions. But yeah, mostly yun nga, excited ako pagka New Year.
Siguro nakadepend yung feelings. I mean, all feelings are valid, right? So, nakadepend yung, is it more on excitement or more on fear or anxiety,
Mm,
depending on how your previous year
yeah, when.
went,
Mhm.
right? And I think, yeah, as what I mentioned, it's valid. And good thing naman kasi is because, we're talking about this because this is New Year, like January 1st,
Mhm.
right? But at the same time, kanina lang yung isa kong friend na share niya na on social media na sinabi niya na if all people would understand that, hindi ko pa ito na-share sa'yo, that time is it's abstract. Meaning to say, you can start anytime.
Mm,
Not just
yeah.
not just on January 1st,
Mhm.
but but going back to the excitement, to the feelings that go with New Year. Yeah, siguro kasi parents tayo, and at the same time um
We're
we are, immigrants here.
mhm.
Malayo tayo sa family. Siguro nandun din nagre-revolve yung anxiety, which I think is very valid. Kasi meron kang, we experienced before having COVID, without our families, right? And just last year, parang last quarter of the year, um, dinala ka namin sa emergency room, right?
Mm.
For, some chest problems. But thankfully, it's nothing, right? So,
And not just that, like even I think Maya, we had to bring her to the hospital. We had to leave yung the rest of the kids. Yung mga
yeah.
ganun. Parang wala, as immigrants here, wala tayong masyadong support. I'm not saying wala talaga, but then
I
when
mean,
it
if you,
comes to the
mhm,
family members, relatives, kind of like that,
yeah.
medyo kulang.
Kasi it's
Mm.
one thing na I'm pretty sure if we reach out to our friends that time, they
Mm,
will
for
come,
sure.
right?
Yeah, yeah.
But also, meron ka pa rin kasing thinking na ayaw mo rin makaabala at the
Mm,
same time, right? Because, they also have work on their own, they have families on their own. Parang ayaw mo na silang abalahan. So, primarily parang it's all very self-reliant.
one of the challenges talaga yan dito sa Canada as immigrant.
Yeah.
Unlike in the Philippines, like the whole neighbor, those are all your relatives,
Yeah, parang
you know
malapit
them, your
lang.
family
Yeah.
members.
Sa atin, 'di ba, sinasabi nila, it takes village to raise a child.
Mm,
So literally yung village mo, it's within you. It's within
yeah,
your community, right? Parang they're one call away and madali ka nilang puntahan. But of course here, mahirap,
yeah.
right?
Mm.
And I think it doesn't get any better. I mean, tayo pangatlong year na natin. We're going to our fourth year here
Fourth
in
year.
Canada. I would say na we're getting by, right? But nandun pa rin yung, it's the same concerns that we
Mm.
have, right? Um, and yeah, yun. So I think valid naman talaga. And of course, excitement because marami na rin tayong napagdaanan na na-accomplish natin yung mga goals natin. Tsaka yung thinking na na-accomplish nga natin 30, di ba?
Yes. Mm-mm.
What more this year? Right?
Mm.
If we had accomplished those things before, what more this year,
Right.
right?
Mm.
So I have to agree that it's an excitement and anxiety, and both can coexist, right? Hindi naman pwedeng one or the other lang yan.
Mm.
Yeah,
Tama. Mm. Very challenging talaga,
yeah, very
especially
challenging.
yeah, we consider ourselves just new here. The fact that we're just hitting our fourth year
Mm-hmm.
compared to the, well, wag na natin compare, but di ba, um, talagang marami pang challenges na dadaanan.
Yeah. Speaking of compare, I think we also discussed that as a couple before. Napag-uusapan natin na it's a great decision not to compare
Mm-hmm.
ourselves
Yeah.
with other families here,
Yeah, exactly.
diba?
It's
And
not really a good practice,
yeah,
especially if you wanna take good care of your health, mental health.
yes,
Comparing with others, like what they
good
achieve,
point.
what
Yeah,
they do best, kind of like
mm-hmm.
that. What they have, especially what they have.
Yeah,
Malaking yan. Malaking problem yun if you keep on doing it, if you keep on comparing your family with other families.
yeah,
Sabi nga natin, like, our family specifically, we have our own values. So we don't compare it. Like we tell our kids, like, don't compare the values of the other
of
families
your
with our
friend's
families or
family.
friends'
Yeah,
families, kind of like that. So yeah, big deal yun. Like, talagang ma-stress ka when you have that habit of
yeah.
comparing yourself or your family with
Mm.
others.
Kasi nga sabi nila, comparison is a ano ba yun? It's a thief, right?
Mm-hmm.
It steals your joy. Yung sabi mo kanina na yung comparison niya, kasi nga it's a thief of joy. Kasi unang-una yung starting point pa lang natin comparing to other immigrant families, it's different, right? So, it's unfair na i-compare mo yung sarili mo and then, you know, doon na nagsisimula yung siguro magiging anxious ka rin,
Yeah.
magiging part yun ng anxiety mo kasi i-compare mo na parang bakit sila ganito na i-achieve nila, bakit kami ito pa rin? So it's very good that, if there's any one or anything that we will compare ourselves with, it's
Our past,
our
like
own journey.
our journey,
Yeah,
our
'di ba?
past
Experiences.
experiences, like past versions,
Yeah,
kumbaga.
past versions.
And
Yeah.
that will give you the feeling of being
Ma-
grateful.
yeah,
Kasi you
true.
compare yourself with your um, past version. So,
Mm,
kung ano ba yung dati mo yun, and then what you have right now.
yeah. Yung sinasabi nga nila pag kinumpara mo daw yung sarili mo sa sarili mo,
Yeah.
malayo na, pero malayo pa.
Oh, yeah.
Right?
Alright.
So, and I think sa ating mag-asawa na alam natin yun, Tart, right?
Mm.
Na marami na tayong napagdaanan and looking to the future, malayo pa rin yung tatahakin natin.
Right.
Now, speaking of grateful, kasi you mentioned about being grateful, um, what were you grateful for the last year? As a
Mm.
dad, as a husband here in Canada.
Oh, a lot. A lot.
Yeah.
Like, kids being healthy, ganyan. Us still being together, like the whole family in the Philippines, they're still okay. Marami, like,
We met new friends.
yeah, we met new friends. Shout out sa mga new friends namin dito
Yes.
sa Edmonton. Mamaya
Yeah.
isa-isa natin yan. And Calgary.
Yeah. Yung mga new friends na
Um,
nakakatawa kasi speaking of friends lang, no, since nabanggit mo sila, parang sinasabi rin naman kasi nila na you have to go out to meet new people.
oh,
Pero I think we were just grateful enough that, these people also opened the door for us to meet them.
oh yeah.
Diba? They
Mm.
organized like a camping
Mm.
thing. Right? Tapos nakapunta tayo doon and then they didn't stop. They still invited us to their mga iba pa nilang
Events,
camping
yeah,
events.
yeah.
Yeah, so we're thankful for that. But yeah, going back to what you were saying, yung being grateful for what we have here.
Things we were grateful for the from last year. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, tama.
Yeah.
Yun nga, more new friends, and then marami na tayong napuntahang places. We still want to mention that Mama and Nanay went here. They were with us for 6 months. So
Yeah.
yun, yung mga ganong milestones natin, kumbaga, di ba? Masayang balik-balikan, kumbaga.
Yeah. I mean, the past year especially, it's not really quiet. Marami rin tayong activities. Quiet lang kasi
Yeah,
we're
yeah.
not really visible on YouTube, right?
Mm.
But we did a lot of things as a family. We went to Vancouver. First time nating mag-drive, lalo ka
Oh yeah.
15,
Sobrang layo.
15-hour drive. And then, inulit pa natin yun. Hindi pa tayo
Mm.
nadala. Inulit pa natin.
Yeah, the first one was when we had our US visa
We applied.
interview.
Yeah, we applied.
That was
for
in
it.
March. And then inulit natin siya nung summer.
Yeah. We went to Victoria as well.
Yeah,
And
we went to
Kelowna.
Victoria, Seattle,
And
and
Kelowna.
Kelowna. Yun,
Yeah.
napaganda place, by the way.
So, those are, things that you're grateful for.
Medyo magme-mellow ka nga lang pagdating ng winter. Like, wala masyadong lakad because of the snow. Pag nag-start na yung snow, siguro mga indoor activities na lang yung pagkakabisihan nyo, ganyan. Or remodeling of your house. And then like
Just like
that.
what we did. By the way,
Just like we
guys,
did.
you did, since this is our first time to show our house, this is our office, but like 2 weeks ago, when we got this house, this is white. But we decided to paint it like 2 months after we came here. We painted it dark green.
Yeah.
And then after that, we decided to repaint it back to, somehow white. But this is like a beige.
The Swiss
Yeah,
Swiss coffee.
coffee.
Yeah, we tried the green kasi gusto natin na parang may
Nature,
touch
yeah.
because
Kasi we didn't have
Yeah.
window. We don't have a window
Mhm.
in this office. This is like a den. It cannot be used as a room, talaga sleeping room, because it doesn't have any window. So yun nga, ginawa namin green para may touch of nature, but suddenly we felt it's too dark
And
na
madaming time. Madami tayong time.
wow,
Kaya tayo,
daming time.
Kaya pinate uli natin siya.
Pinaint niya. Dati katulong niya pa ako, ngayon siya na lang
Mm.
nagpaint nito. The whole day he was spending his time repainting this room. But yeah, I'm also grateful for the changes that we did this year, especially with our health.
Oh, yeah.
And
Mm.
we are very intentional about what to what habits we're gonna keep, especially ayun nga, especially yung pag-exercise, right?
Mm. 'Di ba
um
you mentioned kanina na, um, I had to go to the hospital para mag-check ng gano'n, ng mga, ano ba 'yun?
may annual checkup ka kasi, 'di ba?
Yeah, after the annual checkup, the doctor told me, "Hey, you have a high cholesterol level, so you have to
Change your
change your
lifestyle
lifestyle. You have to do this and that,
so that you will not take any maintenance
any
medicine.
medicine or
Medicine,
ano."
right?
Yeah, that's when we started being serious about our health. Like we bought two
We have
treadmills.
two treadmills now, one with incline, and then the other one is the
I
regular one,
even
and
bought
we're using it. Yeah.
I even bought punching bag.
Yeah.
Although minsan hindi ko naman nagagamit ko siya minsan pero
Ang mas nagagamit talaga
mas
yung
nagagamit ngayon
treadmill.
is yung treadmill because
Yeah.
yeah.
And there's not a day that goes by without, thinking about our health. If we couldn't do an exercise that day, at least hindi na tayo tulad dati na all or nothing. Pag di nakapag-exercise, parang, now I think it's part of our habit na talaga to exercise,
Mm.
right?
Mm.
And even with our diet, we started um, bawasan yung carbs natin, right?
Yeah.
And even the, what do you call this, yung duration ba yan? Yung dalas ng pagkain natin.
Yung frequency
Yeah,
ng
frequency, yeah.
pagkain.
The
Yeah.
frequency ng pagkain.
And I think the lesson there was like, wag nyo nang intayin na
Yes.
i-flag pa kayo ni doctor or makita pa yun
Mm.
sa blood, chem or blood
Yeah, blood
results nyo.
blood results.
Like
Yeah.
that. Maging ano na, wag maging reactive. Like, be proactive. Like, if you think you're gonna gaining weight, yeah, consider changing lifestyle. Make sure you move.
Move, yeah.
Yeah.
Also, yung sa stress level, right? Kasi,
Yeah.
we are beginning to identify that, we are living in a very high stress environment. High stress because, the maraming demands ang work, and
Mm.
maraming demands ang family life. Especially we have younger kids, right?
Oh.
And even yung mga activities na during summer or even during winter, it takes a lot of toll. It takes really a toll on us na
Yeah.
medyo heavy siya. Kaya pagka na-stress na tayo, ayan, we're at least now, especially this year, we're identifying na, na-stress na tayo. And we know that we should stop this, living like this. Yung para tayo lagi nasa survival mode, no? Kaya minsan nagpo-pause na lang tayo.
Oh, it's like,
And it's okay
labas
to
tayo,
pause.
ganyan.
It's okay to pause. It's
Mm.
okay to pause. And I think, being grateful, it's okay din na sabihin mo pagod ka. Kasi parang may thinking kang ganun di ba? Na parang, when you're here na in Canada, dapat grateful ka lang.
Because at least you're in Canada.
Right, di
Like,
ba?
kind of like that.
Pero there are realities na nakakapagod din. And it doesn't mean na napapagod ka, hindi ka na grateful.
Yeah.
Parang ganun din yun eh. You're excited and anxious. Pwede ring mag-coexist yung grateful ka and pagod ka. Kasi nakakapagod naman talaga, Tart. Di ba?
Yes.
Kaya I think, dun ko nakikita yung, kaya bakit gusto natin, when we're looking forward sa bagong taon, nagpa-plan na tayo ng mga trips for next year. Kasi nga, gusto mo, mapahinga ka rin.
Yeah.
Di ba? Away from responsibilities at work especially.
Kumbaga, accept that you need a breather, you need to rest, you need company. So yeah, you have to accept those things, or else if you're just gonna keep it in yourself, baka sumabog ka one time. and
Ayaw natin
that's
nun.
more expensive.
Ayaw natin nun.
Yeah, we don't like that.
Paano kung di ka na sumabog? Diretso ka na sa hukay.
Diretsong,
'Di ba? Kaya
oo
nga
naman,
dapat
yeah. Kawawa
ano,
mang may iwan.
yeah,
Yeah.
kawawa ang may iwan. Ako may question pala ako sa'yo. So ikaw as a person, what do you think changed in you since you came here to Canada from the Philippines? Hindi lang from the last year, but ever since you came, what changed in you?
Mm,
Iba na siya.
siguro I became more patient with the kids. Na dati siguro, I'm not sure, siguro yung pagiging graveyard crew before in the Philippines versus I sleep normally here in Canada.
Mhm.
Siguro na-regulate ko yung emotion ko. Hindi na ako
So let's say,
palaging galit.
oh yeah, I
Well,
think yeah,
I
I,
hope
I,
I hope yun din yung you feel the same way. But yeah, I became more patient with the kids, with the things that are happening here in Canada. What else? We became closer.
yeah.
I become more open.
I would agree with you
Mm.
being more open. Kasi parang wala ka naman kasi iba
Tama, di ba?
makukwentuhan dito.
Tama nga naman.
Parang
Good point.
magugulat ako
Wala
sa'yo pag kinausap mo yung sarili.
Minsan nga, I'm so open, like I talk to myself.
No, pero kidding aside, I would agree, Tart, na you became more open. We became more, parang yung communication nating dalawa, mas naging open when we came here. Siguro factor kasi nga yun yung we don't have a village. Parang dito tayong dalawa lang talaga. So, now, kailangan, and parang kailangan sabihin para mag-function. Kailangan mo sabihin yung nararamdaman mo. Although sometimes meron pang kailangang nudging at saka pushing sa'yo na ano pa talaga yung nararamdaman mo.
Mm.
And then I would also agree na sa mga kids, medyo mas naging pasensyoso ka. I think it's also because, not only with the sleep, meron ka na kasing awareness ngayon.
Mm.
Knowledge and awareness. Knowledge na you know how it affects them
Oh
when you
yeah.
are an angry
Mm.
parent, right?
I became aware.
Reflective.
More aware na.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Parang minsan nakikita kita, parang, halimbawa, may napagsabihan yung mga kids. And then, kasi before, lagi kitang, uy, ganito, ganyan. Pero ngayon, ikaw na yung nagsisimulang kausapin sila na, parang dati, ako pa yung magpupush
Mm.
ano ka na. Pero ngayon, nababawasan yun eh. Parang ikaw na yung gumagawa ng way para kausapin yung mga kids. You know, and explaining to them why that happened. And especially parenting with Sophie, our
Oh,
teenager.
yeah.
Between the two of us, you are the more patient one and much
Mm.
calmer. Yeah, so yeah, I think
And then when it comes to like support group or family members or people around you, sa Pilipinas kasi marami tayong support group, like shout out sa mga friends namin sa church before. So sanay tayo nun. Unlike
mm,
here, wala na masyado talaga. Like hindi na tayo masyado makakonect. So malaking pagbabago talaga, malaking adjustment. Mm. How about you? Yeah. Lagi akong tinatanong mo eh. What changed in you?
what
Like,
changed in me? Marami. Ako lagi kong iniisip ngayon, yung ganito yan, pag may gusto akong gawin, diba meron akong naiisip gawin, tapos ayoko na siyang gawin. Ang lagi kong isipin, kung hindi ko siya gagawin, yun yung dating Sarah, hindi niya gagawin yun. Pero yung bagong Sarah, gagawin niya yun. She will always do the unknown. Yung hindi niya sanay. Parang pagpunta ko dito sa Canada, ang dami kong nagawang hindi ko siya gagawin kung ako yung dating ako. Pero dahil parang I'm trying to step out of my comfort zone, I'll do it. Pero syempre, meron pa rin yung default response mo na yung dating ikaw pa rin, di
yeah.
ba? Pero pero ngayon I think I'm more self-aware. mas alam ko yung kung ano yung mga nagti-trigger sa akin. I feel it in my body
Mhm.
pag nagagalit na ako or pagka I feel outcast. I feel an outcast. Um, nafe-feel ko na siya and I'm more self-aware. But I think one of the things then na nagbago sa akin, I think I'm more grateful now
Mhm.
than ever.
Yeah.
Not because we're in Canada, pero siguro ganun din. Kasama rin yung Canada doon. Because who would have thought that we will be here, right? Ako lagi pa rin akong merong ganun. Yung parang pinipinch mo yung sarili mo na kahit 3 years na tayo dito. Parang lagi pa rin akong may thinking na, nandito na ba talaga ako? Parang nung ilang taon
Mm.
lang, nandun kami
You
sa
always say that.
Pilipinas, right?
Mm.
So there's that. I'm more grateful. And I'm more grateful now din kasi kaya pala natin makasurvive. Kasi, ayun nga eh, parang we always have a thinking na we need a village. Of course, we still do. But when circumstance pushes you to do it on your own, naisip mo, ay kaya naman pala.
Yeah.
Diba?
Yung having a village here, actually ano yun eh, opportunity yun for us na if you're having a hard time finding a company or finding friends or finding relatives here,
Mm-hmm.
then why don't we bring them here? Yeah,
Yeah.
like bring our siblings, parents, ganyan, more often.
Kailangan lang ng
Kailangan lang nating kumita ng malaki.
yeah, because it comes with a price,
Yeah.
right?
Pero one of the things I noticed about you, you became braver. Is there a word like
Matatakotin daw
braver?
ako.
Matatakotin ka rin. No, no, no. Like,
Ah,
imagine, I'm not sure if they know, like, this is your first
out of the country.
out of the country international travel. So, ang laking adjustment for you. But then the things that I noticed about you, yeah, you were not afraid to speak up, to reach out. In fact, you have like a group, friends, kahit saan, kahit anong lahi, meron kang friends. So, yeah, it's one thing that you can be proud of or
Wow.
grateful. Yeah.
Thank you. Ah.
Mhm.
Bakit ikaw din naman eh? You have friends.
I well, coworkers naman yun.
Yeah.
Mm.
Yeah. But speaking of that, I think that's also one of the things that we can continue, like building communities, regardless
Yeah.
of their race, regardless of their status.
Mm.
Diba? Kasi, alam mo yun, Tart, we are here in a foreign country. This is our opportunity to be well-rounded.
Oh, yeah.
'Di ba? To grow and to know culture. Not because for
Mm.
our own. Siyempre, meron yung benefit sa'yo as a person. But at the same time, yung kanina yung pinag-uusap, yung pinapanood natin kanina sa preaching na nagkakaroon ka kasi ng time to see the I and you. I in
Mm.
you.
I and you. Yeah.
Right? Hindi na lang siya yung it's all me, myself, and I. But
Mhm.
now you will see yourself in others. You will see when you meet different people, you will see ano yung basis ng humanity, yung commonality nyo as people,
Mm.
right? And when we're here, yung mas maraming opportunities kasi sa school pa lang ng mga kids, iba't
Yeah.
iba na sila, di ba?
Mm.
Our kids have different sets of friends. They have like Asian, East Asian, Southeast Asian, South Asians, many. They have European friends. They have North American friends.
Mm.
Name it, right? And this is our opportunity to grow and to reach out then because we understand that kahit halimbawa tayo, wala pa tayong sariling village, but this is also our time to build village and to be a source of encouragement to other families then,
Yeah. Tama.
right?
Reach out. Like we have to reach out. Especially you mentioned the kids. We send them to schools, and then we expect them to like to be friends with their classmates, like different um,
Races,
races,
culture.
cultures. Pero tayo, yeah, we can do it as well. If they can do it, we can do
Yeah.
it. Like
Mm-hmm.
sometimes it's just like we have to really um, go out of our comfort zone.
mean,
Yeah,
iset
and
aside
meet
mo yung mga
people.
preconceived notions mo
Yeah.
about other people. Because, you wouldn't know a thing if you don't, pag hindi mo tinanggal yung wall eh.
Yeah.
So, ikaw yung magbe-break ng wall mo so that you can reach out to others and to see who they really are. Right?
Mm.
Yeah. So, speaking of that, our kids having friends, I think this is one of the challenges that we're encountering, like, or that we have encountered the past year, right? It's challenging. It's parenting our kids with different culture. Kasi we are
Yeah.
Filipinos, and now we're raising them like in Canadian way ba, in Filipino way. So how do we navigate this part of our family?
Medyo challenging siya kasi right now, especially for Sophie, for our teenager, she listens now to the peers, to her peers,
Which is
which is really
fish. Yeah, I
that's
mean
the
the age group.
yeah. Mm-mm. So
It's normal.
it's normal. So you have really have um to navigate yourself in a way na you won't hurt her, or you won't really be against her, but yeah, you have to place yourself na maging, paano ba yun, maging maayos kayo, not affecting yung relationship niya with her friends. Ano
Yeah.
yung ganun, no?
Yung parang nang ginawa natin. Kasi nga, we're living in Canada. So, mas prone sila sa, of course, they will know Canadian culture, right? Um, Cani I don't know what it is. Hindi to yung pagbababa sa ibang culture. It's just different from, I would say, our culture as a family na lang, no? Di na lang natin i-generalize na ito yung Filipino culture, ito yung Canadian
Yeah.
culture. But yung sinasabi mo na ngayon, we're learning to set boundaries
Mm.
um, in parenting our teen, but at the same time, still allowing her to be herself, allowing her to explore her creativity, who she
Mm.
really wants to be. Because now we understand that being a teenager, she really wants to be independent.
Mm. She's
She's
pushing her boundaries
she's
now.
pushing the boundaries that we set to her, and then she's trying to find out, sino ba ako without
Mm-hmm.
my mom and my
Yeah.
dad, right?
Mm.
And I think that's where the conflict goes eh. Kasi tayo, may pagka-conservative pa rin tayo to a certain extent. Kasi meron tayong notion sa head natin, oh, this is how a kid should act. So, sa anak natin, kay Sophie, because she's trying to find out who she is without her mom and dad. So
Mm.
now it's really finding her own identity. So, ang ginagawa natin ngayon, parang on the side tayo, na watching her find herself, find her identity, but at the same time, guiding her pa rin.
Guiding her.
Setting boundaries, letting go of control,
Mm.
right? Because I think
Mm.
the control part is the enemy, eh,
Yeah.
right? I think we can discuss more about parenting on our
The
next couple
next.
of vlogs, but
Yep.
yeah. Yeah, so I guess yun yung mga nararanasan natin as immigrant families here. Finances, well, of course, finances, it's still gonna be there, doesn't end, right? But
The bills don't end.
the bills don't end. But I think we're learning year after year,
Mm.
and we were honest enough to admit kung saan tayo nag-fall short, and we're not denying it. I mean, siguro kaya tayo na-stress kasi we're not denying it. We know yung mga setbacks natin. And we're doing now what we can.
Yeah. Mm.
And not letting it now to stress us out. Right?
Right.
Kaya, Amazon lang.
Yeah. Order pa sa Amazon.
Order lang sa Amazon. Oh, but yeah, I think, yeah. And before we'll end, do you have anything else you can think of?
Siguro we just wanna mention our new friends here, yung mga um, nakasama namin
This
Um,
past year.
this no last year like yung mga camping namin, the Limoyco fam, the Duneza,
Kabilan.
yan, and then sila Warren, anong apelyido nila?
Castaños.
Castaños family, marami pa eh, like sila
Sila
Drix,
sila
sila
Jason,
Jason,
Shirley,
ayan.
Angkahas family,
Mm, yeah.
um, yung mga bago nating friends na na-meet, sila
Mm,
Sheila,
mm.
sila Ate V,
Yan, like
from
also family.
Newfoundland and
Oo, marami
Labrador,
sa kanila from
sila
Labrador.
Ate Sharon,
Mm,
Enteng, yan, Kuya John,
mm.
diba? So, marami-rami na tayong na-meet because of Limoyco family because
Yeah,
sila naman yung
same
nag-introduce sa
go.
atin. So, thank you for that.
So excited this year. What's gonna happen?
Saan?
Like which places we're gonna go to?
Mm. At ano na naman mga
Ano mga
sasayawin ni Jason.
adventures, mga sayo ni Jason. Shout out Jason.
And also, our new friends here ay yung friend mo, si Mark,
Oh, yung
here.
mga Pinoy friends natin here. Sila Mark, sila Francis, si Kuya Jun,
Yeah.
sa mga nasa Edmonton.
Ako yung
Who
friends ko,
else?
si Elizabeth.
Elizabeth.
Yeah.
Si
Irina.
Irina, yung kaklase ni Chami. Nasa Pilipinas.
Si
Si Jen.
Jen. Yes, she's on
Sila,
vacation.
sila,
Sarap.
sila Maro, sila
Jen.
Jen.
Yeah. So, I mean, we're grateful to have new friends, to meet new friends. And, because somehow yung lungkot nawawala.
Yeah.
Because you have friends, you know, and you know that they really care for you. They're genuine, they're real. So you're thankful for that.
Yeah.
And if there's another thing that we want um, to tell you guys is, or pag, when you're on your own, when you're on your own, ano ba yan? When you're on your own, tama ba? When you're on your own, is what are the things that you're grateful for? And ano yung mga gusto nyong improve pa sa buhay niyo? Because I'm pretty sure it, you know, having a dream, it all starts there to inspire you, what goals you have in your lives, right?
This is the great time to reflect.
To reflect.
Yeah. Like to list down all the things that you wanna
All your utang.
no, all the things that you wanna change, all the things you wanna learn, especially the learning part. Yeah. So marami tayong time. So dapat yeah.
I just forgot to mention that 2 days ago we celebrated Daddy's birthday.
Oh yeah.
Yay!
I'm
Happy
already
birthday,
38.
sweetheart. No, akala ko 35 lang.
30 na.
You lied to me. Yeah,
Yeah.
so we celebrated it very simply.
Yeah.
Yeah, very simply.
Kumain lang tayo sa labas and then we spent the whole day sa mall.
Oo, 5 hours tayo sa mall. Lakad lang tayo ng lakad.
That's what I love to do. Like going to the mall,
Yeah,
strolling.
yeah, window shopping.
Yeah. But yeah, thanks for all to all those who greeted me. And
Happy New Year pala sa inyong lahat, especially to our
Year sa
families
inyo.
in the Philippines. Mama, Nanay, Joni, May, Alexa, John, Ingo, Badet, who's in the Philippines with her family, David,
Lexi,
Lexi and
Bernard,
Bernard, Kuya Gary,
Christian.
Christian, Chacha, Luna, Raymond, Irish, Chase, and Chandler.
Yeah.
Right? Is that complete?
Ito.
Yeah, complete. We miss you guys. And hopefully makauwi kami.
Makauwi kami. We're not gonna mention when. Para surprise.
Yeah, so to our subscribers, thank you so much for following our channel. To those who watch our comeback episode, thank you so much, guys. We appreciate all your likes, all the time that you spent watching it. Thank you also to those who made comments on our videos.
Oh yeah, Pesto.
Si Pesto, hi Pesto, Happy New Year to you.
Happy New Year, Pesto.
Who else? Si
Si
Joey.
Yeah,
Bustamante
Joey
and the wife.
Bustamante. Yep.
Hi there,
Hi.
guys.
Shout out.
Yeah, and who else? Si
Ate
Tita
Yeah.
Mirna, yung kapatid ko, May, Doneza, and Limoyka family. Thank you
Yeah.
for supporting us, guys.
Yeah.
We do appreciate, we are encouraged by your comments, and when you followed us and when you commented on our video. So, salamat.
Pasensya na kayo, marami na kaming time. So, madadalasan na namin yung vlog. Wala kayong choice ngayon kung hindi manood.
Pwede daw nila tayo yung hindi panood. May choice. Yeah, but
Alright.
kidding aside, thank you so much. And
Ayan.
we hope that this episode kind of ano ba, inspired them or yeah, make
Kind of
you
reminded them about this year,
yeah,
this new year.
may you all have a pleasant year ahead. May 2026 be meaningful to you guys. And I hope also then for our channel that we will share with you um, good, meaningful podcasts,
Good times.
good times, good memories, and
Good thoughts.
good thoughts. Yeah,
Alright.
that's it.
Thanks. See
Don't
you again
forget,
in our next vlog. Yep.
yeah, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment to our channel.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye.